hope you remember your Christian Mingle password, because it is rough in the streets. And it goes by quick too, doesn't it, right? 1 minute you're up doing midnight feedings with the baby. 20, 30 years go by, you wake up spooning with somebody strapped to a CPAP machine. That hit a little close to home, right over there. She's laughing and he's wheezing. That's how you can tell. Here's what they don't tell you about the CPAP. This is a little bit of inside baseball, but we're all going to get there one day, I promise you, if you're not there already. Here's what they don't tell you about the CPAP, is that if you're not the one wearing this, these CPAP, they have this like cool air jet stream blowback that shoots out of both sides of these things, and you don't know it if you're the other person until you roll over in the middle of the night, and it's just it's like that air puff test they do at the eye doctor, but it's both eyes at 3 a.m. And no, you are not ready for it. I used to be the person before CPAP came in our life. I used to be the person, my head would hit the pillow, I was out cold. Not anymore. This one's over here with a CPAP machine, saying her prayers. She sounds like a villain in a horror movie. She's like, now I lay me down to sleep. It's like, hey, Lord Vader, why don't you knock out the prayers, then hook up the gear? You're giving me nightmares.